Another day, another story, shining the spotlight on tin, an essential metal with versatile applications. Shining the spotlight on tin, an essential metal with versatile applications. History. Tin is a metallic element with the atomic number 50 and the chemical symbol Sn, derived from the Latin word stannum. It has been used by human civilizations for thousands of years. Here's a brief history of tin. Ancient periods. The earliest evidence of tin usage dates back to around 3000 BCE in the region of modern-day Turkey. Tin artifacts from this period were discovered in ancient archaeological sites. The Bronze Age, around 3000–1200 B.C.A., marked the extensive use of tin in the production of bronze, an alloy of tin and copper. This era saw the rise of advanced civilizations in Mesopotamia, Egypt, the Indus Valley, and other regions, which used bronze extensively for tools, weapons, and decorative objects. Classical antiquity. The Phoenicians, renowned traders and sailors, played a crucial role in the spread of tin throughout the Mediterranean. They established a trade network that connected regions rich in tin, such as Britain and Spain, to places where tin was scarce. The Roman Empire also had a significant demand for tin, particularly for making pewter, an alloy of tin and lead. Cornwall in Britain became an important source of tin during this time. Medieval and Renaissance periods. Tin mining and trading continued to thrive during the medieval period. Cornwall, in particular, remained a major tin-producing region, supplying tin to Europe. In the 16th century, tin mining expanded to other parts of the world. Bolivia, Germany, and Malaysia became significant tin producers during this time. Industrial Revolution and Modern Era. The 18th and 19th centuries witnessed significant advancements in the mining and extraction of tin. The introduction of steam-powered machinery and technological innovations improved production efficiency. In the early 20th century, Malaysia emerged as the largest tin producer in the world, thanks to the discovery of extensive tin deposits in the region. However, the tin industry faced several challenges, including economic fluctuations, geopolitical conflicts, and the emergence of alternative materials. The use of tin in cans and containers became widespread during this period. In recent decades, the tin industry has seen shifts in production, with countries like China, Indonesia, and Peru becoming leading producers. Recycling efforts have also gained importance due to the limited availability of high-grade tin ores. Today, tin finds application in various industries, including electronics, soldering, alloys, coatings, and packaging. Its low toxicity and desirable properties make it a valuable metal in many manufacturing processes. Science. Atomic structure. Tin has the atomic number 50, meaning it has 50 protons in its nucleus. It belongs to the periodic table group 14 and period 5. Its atomic weight is approximately 118.71 atomic mass units. Tin has a relatively complex electron configuration, with 4 energy levels and a 5 squared 4d carat 10 5p squared configuration. The outermost shell has 2 electrons. Physical properties. Tin is a silvery white metal with a slightly bluish tinge. It has a low melting point of 231.93 degrees Celsius, 449.47 degrees Fahrenheit, and a boiling point of 2270 degrees Celsius, 4118 degrees Fahrenheit. It is a malleable and ductile metal, meaning it can be easily shaped and drawn into wires. Tin is relatively soft and exhibits a characteristic tin cry when bent. It has a density of 7.29 grams per cc, making it relatively dense. Chemical properties. Tin is classified as a post-transition metal and is located in group 14 of the periodic table. It shares chemical similarities with other group members like lead and germanium. Tin is relatively unreactive at room temperature and is resistant to corrosion from air and water. However, it can slowly corrode in the presence of acids and alkalis. It can form multiple oxidation states, the most common being +2 and +4. The +2 oxidation state is more stable in compounds. Tin forms various compounds, including oxides, halides, sulfides, and organotin compounds. Applications. Tin has numerous applications due to its desirable properties. It is widely used as a coating material, protecting other metals from corrosion in applications like tin-plated steel cans. The alloying properties of tin make it an important component in various alloys. For example, bronze, which is an alloy of copper and tin, has been historically significant. Tin is used in soldering, where it forms a low melting alloy with other metals, facilitating the joining of electrical components. In the electronics industry, tin is used as a component of solder, circuit boards, and other electronic devices. Tin compounds have applications in the production of glass, ceramics, and as catalysts in certain chemical reactions. These scientific components provide a glimpse into the properties and applications of tin, showcasing its importance in various fields. Economics. Demand. Tin is a versatile metal with a wide range of applications. The largest consumer of tin is the electronics industry, where it is used in soldering and as a component in electronic devices. Other significant sectors driving tin demand include automotive, construction, packaging, and chemicals. The demand for tin is influenced by factors such as global economic growth, technological advancements, and government policies promoting sustainable materials. The increasing use of electronic devices, particularly in emerging economies, has been driving the demand for tin in recent years. Supply. The largest tin-producing countries vary over time, but historically, China, Indonesia, and Myanmar, Burma, have been major producers. Other significant tin-producing nations include Brazil, Bolivia, Malaysia, Peru, and Russia. Tin is primarily obtained from cassiterite, an ore containing tin oxide. Mining operations extract tin from underground or open-pit mines. Recycling also contributes to the supply of tin. Tin can be recycled from various sources, including electronic waste, solder scrap, and tin-plated steel scrap. Market trends. The tin market has experienced price volatility over the years due to factors such as changes in supply and demand dynamics, geopolitical events, and trade policies. Concerns about the environmental and social impact of tin mining have led to increased emphasis on responsible and sustainable sourcing practices. Recycling efforts have gained importance in the tin industry due to the limited availability of high-grade tin ores and the desire for a circular economy.